Today I am reviewing the Khadas Mind 2's AI Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to mini PCs, few devices even come close to what the Khadas Mind 2's offers. At just under a pound and less than an inch thick, this palm-sized computer is redefining what's possible in compact computing. Whether you're a digital creator, AI developer, remote worker, or even a casual gamer, the Mind 2's doesn't just fit into your workflow, it supercharges it. Let's dive deep into why this might be the most powerful ultra-portable mini PC of 2025. At the heart of the Mind 2's is the Intel Core Ultra 7255H processor. But this isn't just another laptop chip. It features a 3-in-1 architecture combining CPU, GPU, and NPU, an integrated neural processing unit, into one intelligent system. This allows the device to handle advanced workloads, including AI-powered applications, high-performance multitasking, and creative tasks like video editing, all while staying power efficient. With up to 64 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory. Yes, you heard that right. 64 gigabytes and a blazing fast 2 terabytes PCIe 4.0 SSD, this device is a multitasking monster. You can switch between rendering a video, compiling code, or running AI models, all without missing a beat. Equipped with Intel Arc integrated graphics, the Mind 2's brings impressive performance to your desk. It supports ray tracing, CSS upscaling, and clocks up to 2.25 GHz, making it 2.5x faster than typical integrated GPUs. Whether you're editing 8K footage, training AI models, or playing popular titles at medium settings, this machine handles it like a pro. The GPU, along with the CPU and NPU, delivers up to 96 TOPS, trillions of operations per second, pushing performance into workstation territory. Need more storage? No problem. The internal M.2 expansion slot makes upgrading effortless. Just pop the top, and you're good to go. But the real magic happens with Khadas Mind Link. It allows seamless docking with devices like the Mind Dock or Mind Graphics, adding PCIe 5.0 expansion with up to 256 GT/S bandwidth. Whether you want an external GPU for gaming or extra ports for work, the modular design gives you the flexibility you've always wanted. The Khadas Mind 2's is wrapped in a sleek anodized aluminum shell, offering a unibody construction that feels solid, modern, and professional. Weighing just 435 grams, or roughly 0.95 pounds, and measuring just 0.79 inches thin, it's made for mobility. But it's not just about looks, it's about freedom. It features a built-in 5.55 Wh battery, allowing for up to 25 hours of standby and a 2-second wake time. So whether you're hot swapping between meeting rooms or working on the go, you won't have to constantly restart or lose your flow. A single USB-C cable handles power, data, and 8K video, helping you maintain a clean and minimalist workspace. Perfect for productivity-focused users who value both form and function. The Khadas Mind 2's isn't just another mini PC, it's a statement. It says you don't need a desktop tower to do serious work. It says portability doesn't mean compromising performance. And most importantly, it proves that the future of computing is not only smaller, it's smarter. If you're ready to experience the next generation of desktop computing in a device that fits in your palm, the Khadas Mind 2's AI Mini PC should be at the top of your list. Check the link in the description to learn more or grab one at the best available price.